Attention Buckeye, Arizona homeowners. What's the main job that your garage door has to do? Open and close. Right? And that takes an opener. Without a functioning opener, garage doors stay closed. Or open. Or halfway open. Sometimes it's obvious when an opener is damaged. But other times you may need to look out for signs that your garage door opener might be damaged. Some clues include a sudden spike in your energy bill, noises coming from your garage door, or trouble opening or closing your garage door. We repair and, if needed, install new garage door openers. Check out our website. We also have special offers available. If your garage door opener is damaged beyond repair, call Affordable Garage Door and Opener Repair for a garage door opener installation. We can install a brand new garage door opener, so you can open and close your garage door without disruption. Expert and honest garage door service makes a world of difference. Call Affordable Garage Door today at 602-672-1418.